Welcome to TipUp, quick tech tips so you can work smarter. Data entry in Microsoft Excel can be time-consuming, but there are ways to quickly add data that won't take up your whole day. Enter Flash Fill, a feature that automatically fills in data into columns when Excel senses a pattern. Let's look at this worksheet with a couple of columns left to complete. Filling each of these columns out cell by cell could take hours, but with Flash Fill, you can establish a pattern for Excel to analyze. To start, complete the first row of data. Excel will recognize the patterns you've placed here and here based on the data you've entered in other columns. When you finish, select the next empty cell and click the Data tab in the ribbon. Then click Flash Fill. You can also hit Ctrl-E on your keypad. Voila! All of the corresponding cells are filled with the correct data in seconds. Flash Fill works best with simple, stable data to complete tasks like extracting text from a cell or combining data from several cells, replacing part of a cell's contents, or even cleaning up source data. However, there are some limitations to be mindful of. For example, Flash Fill results don't update automatically, so if you change the original data, it won't be reflected in your Flash Fill columns. You should also double-check your Flash Fill results as they may not follow the pattern you're looking for. And if you have cells with hidden non-printable characters in your source data like spaces, Flash Fill may skip over them entirely. Just remember that if Flash Fill isn't giving you the results you're looking for, you may need to use another Excel function. Luckily, there are hundreds to choose from on Excel's support site. Visit support.microsoft.com for more information on using Flash Fill and Excel functions. Want more TipUp? Watch our videos and submit your ideas at its.weill.cornell.edu/tipup.